again with the lighter shade concealer. You notice that I left the nose area untouched. I'm saving that area for later. I'm just going in with the concealer to brighten up my under eye as much as possible, and I'm letting that sit on my nose before I start the contouring. So now I have another NARS product, which is the pressed powder. It's a pressed setting powder, light reflecting setting powder that I'm adding under my eye, and it just gave me a pop. Like, I changed overnight. Now I'm using a Laura Mercier, I'm using a Hourglass setting powder under my eye, translucent setting powder. After the press setting powder, I use 2 setting powders, yes, 2. And now I'm going into the contour of the nose. I'm using another brush from the RT collection. The number is rubbed out, so I can't tell you the number. I'm pressing the concealer in on the top, and now I'm going in on the side to brush it out. Now I'm at the bronzer. I added bronzer, another NARS product, and I'm trying to scope it so I have defined cheekbones. Now I'm at the other side, and I'm making sure. I noticed that one side was better. Did you see? Because, you know, so now I'm going back in with more product, and I'm making sure that both are even. I love that side. Now I'm going in with the contour. I noticed that I needed more of the bronzing cream, and now I'm just lightly dabbing. I'm not trying to erase it. I like the look of that extra line in the middle. It just makes my nose look more narrow than wide. So yes, I'm letting the setting powder stay. Now I'm brushing it off because I was baking. That's right. So now I'm putting Laura Mercier, can't pronounce that, Laura Mercier setting powder all over my face except for my under eye, because that I use the Hourglass setting powder. Now I'm putting a pencil. I normally don't do pencil, but I said I wanted something under my eye, and I noticed I got teary, so I'm using a Q-tip to make sure that I don't tear too much and to crease my makeup. So I use lipstick as blush sometimes. I wanted purple. I don't have purple blush, so I use lipstick. You can use whatever you want. There's no wrong way of applying makeup. So I'm pressing in and I'm dabbing up. I'm dabbing, not down, never down, dab downward, always up towards the temples. And you notice I only put it on the outer part. I didn't want that look. Sometimes you could put it on the inner, but I like it on the outer. It's like a sculpted look. And now I'm lining with a Rare Beauty lip liner. It's a chocolate color, and I'm lining my lip. And lining my lip gives me a pop on the lip. And lining the lip makes sure the foundation and your lip, there's a separation. So it's always good to line your lip. So I normally have a color, and I love because the color does a lot for me when I put lip on my lip color. Now I'm adding the setting powder. Now I'm adding the setting spray, and that's a Patrick Star setting spray. And when I say this makeup won't move at all, it would not move. You spray, you set it. Child, I went to work, came back, my makeup was still intact. What do you guys think? Tell me what you guys think about this look. Isn't she gorgeous? Oh, look at that girl. Combing the hair, gotta get ready for later. what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think. Talk to you later. Bye.